welcome to the platform of Krida Legal Star with GST updates. Guys, आज के सेशन में ना कुछ नया बात करने वाले हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट बात करने वाले हैं, एंड दैट टू टॉपिक जो होगा वो होगा ई इनवॉइसिंग के कंसर्न में. As you all know, e-invoicing is important and that too it's so-called mandatory for especially those category of taxpayers जिनका turnover in the preceding financial year was above 50 crores. ये जो स्टोरी है वो स्टार्ट होती है फ्रॉम 1 अप्रैल 2021 और जिसको मैंडेट कर दिया गया है इस स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरी ऑफ टैक्सपेयर्स के लिए कि भाई अगर योर टर्नओवर इज अबव 550 करोड़ तो आप अप्लाई करोगे ई इनवॉइसिंग. नाउ विद इन द स्टोरी देयर इज अ ट्विस्ट. ट्विस्ट क्या है? ट्विस्ट ये है कि भाई हमें तो पता है कि इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट एंड मैंडेटरी. नाउ अगर आपने ई इनवॉइसिंग का अकम्प्लिशन टाइमली बेसिस पे नहीं किया तो आप किस डीमेरिट को फेस करोगे, किन प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करने वाले हो, इस पूरे सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. एक क्लियर विजन, एक क्लियर मिरर दिखाने की कोशिश करूंगी अगर आपने कंप्लाई नहीं किया इनवॉइसिंग ऑन टाइमली बेसिस. सेशन की शुरुआत करने से पहले आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी. इफ यू आर न्यू टू आवर प्लेटफॉर्म, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कृदा लीगल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड प्लीज बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा जिससे सारे इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशंस आप तक टाइमली बेसिस पे पहुंचते रहें. हमेशा डिटेल्ड वे में हम आपको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जीएसटी को इजीएस्ट एंड द बेस्ट वे में कैसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया जा सकता है एंड इट गेट्स सिंपलर इवन विद क्लियर टेक्स्ट टू. वेल गाइज, एज यू ऑल नो, e-invoicing is the India's largest digital reform and that too it got to have been implemented to those taxpayers जिनका turnover in the preceding financial year 50 crore से ऊपर गया है. Now, if you do not comply it onto a timely basis, तो दो important situations due to non-completion of this e-invoicing आपको face करनी पड़ सकती है. वो दो issues क्या होंगे, वो दो problem क्या है वो देखिए. Number 1, e-invoice does not get issued to the buyer. Number 2, eligible invoices do not get reported to IRPs, that is Invoice Registration Portal, which is a big issue. As you all know, due to non-accomplishment of this e-invoicing, there can be major issues or consequences that lead to be forming. Number 1 is heavy penalties can be imposed under the law. Number 2, your customer relation can even be affected with this. Number 3 is that your e-way bills got not to have been generated if you have not complied the e-invoicing, that too on a timely basis.
It's being said that in case of non-generation of e-invoicing, a penalty of 10,000 rupees per invoices or 100% of the tax amount due, whichever would be the higher, will be imposed. So it need to be considered at the most priority. Talking in concern with customer relationship, as we all know, GST returns get auto-populated from e-invoicing system. Now question is, if you don't issue e-invoices, your customers GSTR 2A and 2B statement will not be reflected the input tax credit that is due to them. Second important problem is, if you don't issue your e-invoices, the invoice will not be considered to be as valid as it does not include IRN number. Your customer will not accept those invoices and you will not get paid for the goods which you are supplying to them. So it's a biggest issue. Customer satisfaction is to the priority, so need to be. Now talking in concern with e-way bills, as we all know, you cannot generate your e-way bills without an IRN, and that too it is as per the latest government update. Now due to non-generation of your e-way bills, it will directly impact to the movement of your goods and it will lead to detention of your goods, जिसकी वजह से आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम फेस कर सकती है डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली ऑन टू योर बिजनेस. And it's a big risk.
तो अगर आप भी उस कैटेगरी में हैं जिसने अपने ई इनवॉइसिंग के फंक्शंस को कंप्लाई नहीं करा है तो आप लेट मत कीजिए. The best software is going to help you off is the ClearText, which is most affordable, most friendly, most convenient, dependable, and it has been introduced with many of the important features and that too new features. So let's begin with कि हम उन न्यू फीचर्स के बारे में आपको बताएं कि ये क्या क्या सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता है.
Multiple feature provided by this ClearText software, as it provides easy connection. You can integrate any of the ERPs with ClearText e-invoicing solutions. It's super fast. You can completely rely to this software as it get uninterrupted e-invoicing generations. It's 100% secured. The reason provides specific features like SSL encryptions, two-factor authentication, advanced usage of access management, and IP whitelisting keeps your data completely secure. Apart from this, here you get 360-degree customer support. You will get the support that to 24/7 if you're facing any problem while generation of e-invoices.
Now guys, you know which is the best software for e-invoicing. So आपके पास ये opportunity है, go and get it purchased if you're requiring. If you want the demo, I'm going to provide the link into the description box. आप वहां से जाके भी इसका पूरा डेमो देख सकते हैं. How ClearText is working so efficiently with your e-invoicing system, जिसका आप use timely basis के कर सकते हैं. For any other additional information, you can coordinate with Krida Legal Star, and that too at 7393977569. Thank you.